Hello friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to make a bow headband for baby. I will use 3.5mm crochet hook and a cutter. So let's get started. First of all, we will make a slip knot. Now we will make chains. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have made total 60 chains for headband. You can make it either smaller or bigger by changing the base chain. Now in the back loop of the chain we will make a slip knot. It is a little bit difficult to work in the back loop of chain. Now make 2 chains, chain 1, chain 2, and after making 2 chains in the back loop of the chain make half double crochet. Now again in the back loop of the other chain make a half double crochet. Now we will repeat the same process and we will make half double crochets in the back loop of every chain. And in this way we will complete our first row. Only working in the back loops. Make it till the end. Only working in the back loop. I have completed my first row. This one is the last. In this back loop again we will make a half double crochet into this chain, and after that just slip stitch into the second chain. Now first row is completed. For the second row we will make 2 chains, chain 1, chain 2. After making 2 chains you can work in the both loops like that, making half double crochet, but I will only work in the back loop. Now in the back loop we will make a half double crochet. Again make a half double crochet into the back loop of the next stitch. Again in the next stitch we will make a half double crochet into the back loop, and repeating the same process we will make a half double crochet in every stitch, working only in the back loops. And in this way we will complete our second round. I have completed my second round. This one is the last stitch. Make a half double crochet into this stitch and into the second chain make a slip stitch. Now chain 2 and again in the back loop of the very first stitch make a half double crochet and again into the next stitch make a half double crochet into the back loop, make a half double crochet into the back loop of every stitch, and in this way repeat this process and complete the width of headband as much as wide you want. Now make slip stitch. I have made total 6 rows. You can increase if you want. Now make a chain and pull the yarn to get a long tail just to make a bow. Cut the yarn and remove the other yarn strand. Now we will give our headband a bow shape. For this purpose, just right in the middle, wrap the yarn outside and inside. Do it again and again to make a bow. Repeat this process, and when you are done, just tightly knot these two yarn ends 2 to 3 times to secure the work. Make the knot tightly. After that, with the help of crochet hook, just pull these yarn end through some stitches, and after that cut these yarn ends, these extra yarn ends, so the bow headband is ready. If you like the video, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.